Welcome guys back, and today I would like to show you one more absolutely gorgeous cable stitch that I have been used already for a hat. If you didn't see it, please check tutorial on my channel. And here I'm going to show you how to knit this stitch in round. For this stitch I'm using a 4mm knitting needle, and the number of stitches have to be divisible by 6 plus 2 selvage stitches. So I cast on 30 stitches plus 2, 32 stitches. And the first row, slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat one more time. And yes, I forgot to say that for this stitch you will need an extra needle, or as I am, just a double pointed needle for cable twists. Let's repeat again. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last stitch. This is the first row. The second row you knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. So when you see knit stitch, you knit it. When you see purl stitch, you purl it. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, and repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. Like this, repeat till the end of row. And that's what you have. Purl 1, knit 1, and purl the last stitch. Then you're going to repeat the third row the same as the first one, the fourth the same as the second, the fifth the same as the first, and the sixth the same as the second. Go on knitting and we will see after. So I've done 6 rows, and the row number 7 will be a row with the cables. Slip the first stitch, slip 3 stitches, and leave them behind your work. Oops. hold them behind in back. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 from the left hand needle and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 from the cable needle. Like this you've got right leaning cable. Let's repeat. Slip 3 stitches to the extra needle and hold them in back. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. From the left hand needle and the same purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 from the extra needle. The second right leaning cable. We'll show you one more time. Slip 3, hold in back, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and from the extra needle, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. That's basically it. And like this, repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And the last one, in my case, from the extra needle, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row 7 is ready. Row number 8, knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. You don't need cable stitch now. Slip 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, and repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, and the last time. And purl's last stitch. Row number 9, same as knit all stitches and purl all purl stitches. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. So you don't need to know the pattern, just when you see knit stitch, knit it, when you see purl, purl it. So and now you're going to repeat the row number 10 the same as the row number 8, the row number 11 the same as a 9, 12 the same as 8, and 13 the same as 9, 14 the same as 8. I have finished row number 14, and row number 15 will be with cable twists. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, then take an extra needle, slip next 3 stitches to this needle and hold them in front of work. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 from the left hand needle, and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 from extra needle. And like this you've got left leading. Slip and repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and from the extra needle purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And again repeat the same, doing left leading cable twist. The last cable twist, and you have 3 more stitches without selvage. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 as at the beginning, and purl the last stitch. And that's it. Now you're going to repeat everything from the beginning, just following the pattern, like when you see knit stitches, knit them, when you see purl stitches, purl them, and then make again a right leaning cable, and you will get this beautiful texture and can use it whenever you want. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And stay healthy, stay positive and happy, and I will see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!